Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a page border in Google Docs. Adding a border can make your document look more professional and is useful for certificates, invitations, reports, and other types of documents. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. Open the document where you want to add a page border. Google Docs doesn't have a direct page border option, so we'll use a one-cell table to create the border. First, click Insert at the top of the page. Then select Table and choose a one-by-one table. A single-cell table will now appear in your document. Click inside the table and enter your document content. Next, adjust the size of the table so that it fits around the page. You can drag the edges of the table to increase its width and height. To customize the border, right-click inside the table and select Table Properties. Under Table Border, you can change the border color, border width, and border dash to match your preferred style. You can also adjust the cell padding to create more space between the border and your text. Once you're happy with the settings, click outside the table. Your document will now have a page-style border around your content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a page border in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.